Welcome to another GrainGenes tutorial. Today we're talking about a resource for historical genes, the Wheat Gene Catalog. In 2013, the catalog was compiled and placed into an online database at the KOMUGI resource in Japan. From the landing page, click on the Gene Catalog link, which will first take you to a long list of gene classes. Click on a descriptor. It will take you to that class and a long list of individual genes. Here we just selected Q, the gene responsible for spelt head types. And from this page, you can see there are chromosomes, germplasm, references, etc. Individual genes can be selected by entering that gene name in the top search box. In this case, I put in YR18. And the result will be a list of anything, including the gene, but anything that has the term YR18 in the descriptor. To get a list of all YR genes, those are genes for stripe rust resistance, users can search by the top level gene class. In this case, it's the reaction to Puccinia striformis. So we're going to copy that. Let's go into the quick search menu from the top. Click Advanced Searches, and the user can then paste that into the class query form. Hit Search, which will result in a long list of 130 stripe rust genes that have been described. And like most databases, the top column header can be used to sort. KOMUGI also makes it quite easy to download these data. Thank you for watching, and please visit GrainGenes soon.